What's going on? Welcome back to ednews.com. It's your host, EJ Carrion, and today we're going to talk about a Wall Street Journal article. And something we've been hitting hard here on ednews.com with our guests and the stories we highlight is just this teacher shortage or this teacher resignation and teachers exiting. And we're in a wonderance and fear of how many teachers are going to retire, resign by the end of the school year. But this Wall Street article doesn't just discuss this data point, but it also talks about how companies are out hiring teachers and giving them raises. And it's in the Wall Street Journal. So let's go ahead and hit this article. So the title of the story is Teachers Are Quitting and Companies Are Hot to Hire Them. So when you look at the big data point that I want to hit is really this paragraph. Quits in educational service sector rose 148%. In the time frame, which is what they're showing as January and November of 2020. While quits in states and local education rose 20% according to federal data. By comparison, retail rose 27% at the same time frame. Now, according to LinkedIn, this is a big part, the shares of teachers on the site who left for a new career increased by 62%. So you're seeing companies take these talented professionals and implementing them in different areas of their organization, from product design to customer success, because there's a lot of agility experience, but because teachers are learning scientists and they're out and they're able to learn on the job and be flexible, people are seeing teachers as an asset and are giving them the raise and the flexibility that they look to have. I think this is huge. We as educators and institutions really need to think about what are we going to do to match the new working environments post-pandemic, and how can we provide more flexibility, freedom. This is just another story in this long process of making history of how we design education that's more humanized. So thank you for watching ednews.com. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video.